Hey guys, in this 2025 guide, I'll show you how to import invoices into QuickBooks Online, a fast way to save time and keep your accounting accurate. First, log into QuickBooks Online and go to Sales and then Invoices tab. Click Import Invoices at the top right. Download the sample CSV template to see the required format for your invoice data. Fill in your invoice details, customer name, date, invoice number, items, quantities, and amounts. Once your CSV is ready, click Upload File and select your completed template. Map the columns in your file to QuickBooks fields to ensure all data is imported correctly. Review the preview, then click Import. QuickBooks will create all your invoices automatically. And that's it, your invoices are now imported into QuickBooks Online 2025. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials every week.